Ever wondered why milk is so different across the animal kingdom? Dairy farms across the country produce milk that's part of a fascinating story stretching back millions of years.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kaylee Ann, and I've worked with milk from many different species.
Doctor, what can you tell us about variability in milk composition?
Human milk, for example, is only 4% fat, while the gray seals have a whopping 60% fat content of their milk.
That's a huge difference. Why such a gap between species?
Exactly. Seals feed their young very infrequently, so large meals, larger fat, whereas human babies, on the other hand, get fed a lot more often, so it has a lower fat content per meal.
And human milk has some remarkable abilities of its own, doesn't it?
Even though human milk is lower in fat, it can change over time based on what the baby needs. Whether it needs more calories, more fat, more protein, it changes throughout the baby's life and what its needs are.
With all these amazing properties of different milks, why do humans mainly drink cow's milk?
Great question. Cows were among some of the first domesticated animals, so it made their milk more readily available for people to drink. Also, they produce really large quantities, so it could feed a lot more people than, say, a goat or a sheep, for instance.
And what makes cow's milk such a good choice for humans?
Milk is a nutrient powerhouse. It has almost all essential ingredients that we need for a complete nutrition. It's also been a staple in human diets for thousands of years.
And just like elite athletes, the animals producing this remarkable food need proper care and nutrition themselves.
We view our cows like athletes, and anybody that's an athlete knows the better nutrition, the better rest, and the better training that they do, the better they perform. If our girls aren't comfortable, they're not going to perform to their best. And here, performance is making milk, and they do that very comfortably.
From evolution to nutrition, understanding milk diversity helps us appreciate one of nature's most remarkable adaptations. Every glass of milk tells a story, millions of years in the making.